favorite Kay, and today I want to try and go over how to do this fun little twisty turny maneuver that I like to do. I like it because it's easy to break off into other planes and other tricks, and it's really fun. So to begin, I'm going to start with my thumbs up, and my yellow hoop will be in the center of my body, and my blue hoop will be out to the left. And we're going to have to be twisting our wrist quite a lot for this trick. To begin, we're going to twist our yellow hoop so that the thumb is going towards the audience, and the blue hoop so that the thumb is coming towards me. So as I do that, I will move my yellow hoop forward and my blue hoop into the center so that it's laying on top of my arms like this. Now you can see both thumbs are pointed away from each other, and we're in floor plane. So I will continue to twist my wrists in the same direction, and as I do so, my blue hoop will twist so that the thumb is pointed down and it will twist out to the right, and my yellow hoop will twist so that the thumb is going down to the floor and the yellow hoop is coming into the center to frame my face again. So at this point, I slink that yellow hoop underneath my arm, and I continue to twist my wrist in the same direction so that my blue thumb is coming towards me and my yellow thumb will be going towards the audience. But as I do so, I'm moving it back into the center again, center floor plane. And now you can see both thumbs are pointed towards each other. And my yellow hoop is resting on top of my right arm and sort of underneath my left arm. So now we will continue to twist our wrists in the same direction, and we will bring that blue hoop up, so my thumbs up and out to the right, and we will bring the yellow hoop so that the thumb is up and framing my face again. And that's the beginning of this trick all over again. So I'm going to try to show this from the top, if I can figure out a way to put my camera above me. So hopefully this helps you guys, and it helps you with some transitions in your flow. Happy hooping! Hey guys, so I'm going to show you from the top now. I'm starting with the yellow hoop in the center, framing my face, and the blue hoop out to the left. Both of my thumbs are up. I will begin twisting my wrist like this so that my yellow thumb goes away from me and my blue thumb comes towards me. And as I do so, I will push the yellow hoop forward and bring the blue hoop over top of my arms like this. Now you see both thumbs are pointed away from each other. I will continue twisting my wrist in the same direction so that both thumbs go down. And as I do so, I will push my blue hoop out to the right and bring my yellow hoop in towards my face. Now I have to slip my yellow hoop underneath my, my left arm, and I'll continue rotating my thumbs in the same direction. My blue thumb will go towards me and my yellow thumb will go away from me. And as I do so, I will push that blue hoop forward and the yellow hoop will go in on top of my right arm. Thumbs are pointed towards each other now. And I will continue to twist my wrist in the same direction so that both thumbs go up as I bring my blue hoop out to the left. And obviously my yellow hoop is in the center again. So I hope this angle helped you guys. Have fun with this.